All right, welcome back to Weekend Smile. Talia and I are going to test our knowledge about the language of style. We will explore the fascinating world of fashion terminology through a quiz. We don't even know how we're going to check into this. Like, do we tap the
There is
table?
no buzzer.
No buzzer, nor nothing.
I guess that's a teamwork, but the dream work.
Let's go. Yeah, let's tap. When you hear the tap, huh? All right. Let's go.
Fashionable
First
words. Which
right.
of these items is named after a mid-16th century weapon? I'm going to guess stiletto heel.
Yeah, same. Same.
No? Yeah? Oh,
Yes.
stilettos.
Okay. It says the tall, thin stiletto heel. We're going to read it.
Oh, love those shoes.
I can see how those could be weaponized.
Wait. Oh, yeah, right.
So it says the tall, thin stiletto heel gets its name from the stiletto dagger, a sharp, pointed knife with a slender blade for, oh Lord. Oh no, I'm not even going to say the word there.
Well, I mean, you know, if you really look at the stiletto, you can definitely understand, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know.
But they're gorgeous, though.
I can see how they can be weaponized though. Anybody ever step on your toe in a stiletto before?
Jeez, you see Blinky.
Listen to me, man.
I love them though. Like
course.
they're my faves.
Of course.
Love them.
And I'm sure they were invented by a man for women to try to balance their whole bodies.
And the pain. Okay.
All right, fit for fun under the Mediterranean sun. Which of these is named for an Italian island? Italian island. I'm gonna say Capri.
Yeah, Capri.
Hey,
Yes, so
there we go.
capris are close-fitting women's pants that end above the ankle, and they are named after the picturesque Italian island of Capri. Oh, that's
Yes.
cute.
I don't necessarily like capris, you know.
Really?
No.
Yeah, I have a love-hate relationship with them because if you know how to style them,
You have to find the right one.
yeah.
Yeah.
And I mean, I know back in the day we used to have like Bella's Capri. I don't know if you remember Bella's
don't
Capri.
like Bella's Capri, just like it unfinished.
Bella's Capri just cock off, so you know. And then
It looked like it unfinished. I don't like this.
So which of these clothing items is named after a New York City suburb? Is it galoshes? I don't know. Negligee.
I feel like it's cummerbund.
Galoshes or tuxedo? Maybe tuxedo. I don't know. We guess all of them.
Cummerbund.
Okay, let's pick one.
I feel it's cummerbund. Which one is it, Talia?
All right, I'll go with galoshes. That was my first guess anyway. But I should have probably picked tuxedo, you know. See? Tuxedo.
Okay, it was a name after Tuxedo Park, New York, which became a very swanky retreat in the 1800s, okay?
I know we love a tux.
Of course, tuxes are nice.
Yes.
I love that. I love female tux, though.
Yeah.
I love to see ladies in tuxedos. It's so nice. Yeah, not so the man them normally wear tuxedo, but hey.
Yeah, and I love the colors, like a popping color, not just the regular, like black, brown, you know, khaki, but the popping colors like a pink or, yeah, lovely. Okay, next question. Which of the following was named after a nuclear weapons testing site? Spandex, bikini, sarong, or scarf. I'm gonna say what, sarong?
I was thinking sarong as well. It just sounds like it just sounds like it wrong. Like
I don't know. Okay, let's see.
Yeah, I don't. Is it?
It's bikini.
Oh.
Okay. Designer Louise Rare debuted his skimpy bikini, a two-piece swimsuit in July 1946, just days after the United States tested nuclear weapons on Bikini Atoll in the Pacific. That's interesting.
Look at it now, man. You'd have never known. You could have never associated with war. I can't say this because you associate bikini now with a good time, right?
Sun, sea, sand, fun.
Yeah, with a good time. You're not associating bikini with anything like this. All right, which of these fashion terms originated as an old gold coin of Italy and Turkey?
Macrame.
I'm thinking macrame too, but it could be sequin. I'm gonna say sequin.
All
right. A sequin is a small plate of shining metal or plastic used for ornamentation, especially on clothing, but it began as a gold coin sewn onto the garments.
Wow.
Interesting.
Okay.
All right. I like sequins.
Okay.
Sequin normally happens when you're celebrating something or if it's Christmas time. New Year's, especially New Year's. Oh gosh, yeah.
And birthdays too. Birthdays very like
anniversaries,
popular. Yeah,
that kind of thing. Yeah, for sure. Okay, but sometimes I'm over the sequin them though. Seriously, some of them can be a little
I love sequins, you know. I feel like you can never get too much. Sometimes I'm wrong.
Yeah.
But I love a sequin.
The good thing with sequin is that you don't need to accessorize it too much.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. All right, next one. Which of these words comes from the name of a country? Silk, fleece, suede, gingham.
I don't know, I just feel like maybe it's suede or gingham.
Not silk. I say fleece. Let me just
I'm gonna say it's gingham or suede, one of them. Is it gingham? I'm thinking it's gingham.
Suede.
All right,
Okay,
cool.
Suede comes from the French phrase. What's that? I don't do French.
Suede.
Hangs, gants, de suede.
Yeah.
Meaning Swedish gloves. Okay. Nice.
All right, you learn something new every day.
Yeah.
I could have never thought that. Okay. Another one? Oh, those are there?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That is it?
Yeah, I guess we're out. Yeah, we're out,
That
guys.
is it.
Oh, we have a couple
one more?
Okay.
All right, cool. Which of these is usually made from material named after the French city of Nimes? I believe it's called silk dress, flannel jacket. Flannel jacket, I'm going to say flannel jacket. Leather shoes or blue jeans. I'm going to say flannel jacket.
Silk dress. Blue jeans, okay. So the city was famous for producing a heavy serge, which is a durable fabric. And this was called serge from Nimes. And over time, this became serge denim, then serge denim. And
the
finally just
evolution
denim.
of language. I love that.
Oh, wow, that's so cool.
Yes, that's nice.
We're learning so much today.
I'll never wear denim again the very same way. Okay? All right, cool. Last one. Love it. And denim is in right now. Okay.
Epaulette.
Epaulette, is that
Yeah,
what it is?
epaulette.
All right, comes from the French word for what body?
Shoulder.
Your shoulder, mom. You ever see epaulette anywhere else but your shoulder?
Yeah, epaulette is your shoulder.
You know, so the epaulette always go to your shoulder. I've never seen an epaulette anywhere else, right?
Yeah, perhaps best known as the ornamental fringed pads worn on the shoulders of some military officers. Epaulettes also appear on some dresses and coats.
They have,
yeah, man.
and I love them. I have a few with them on it. So nice.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we learned a lot this morning. See, you have it there, epaulettes on our screen. Well, an epaulette.
Yeah.
On the screen. But guys, we don't normally just have one. We normally have two, right? One on either side. But we learned a lot this morning, and we hope you did too. So guess what? We soon come back more on Weekend Smile after the break.